In this video, you will learn how to easily install the SL300 series 2K Wi-Fi Smart Lightbulb Camera. It can be installed indoor or outdoor with any standard light socket. With the light turned off, screw the lightbulb camera into the light socket. Do not turn on the light until you have downloaded and logged into the app. Download the Lorex app from the App Store or Google Play. If you have the app, ensure it's up to date. Sign up a new Lorex account if you don't have one. Otherwise, use your existing Lorex account to log in. Turn on the light switch to power your lightbulb camera. Stay close to the lightbulb camera until setup is complete. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Tap Scan QR code and scan the code that is inside the packaging or on the lightbulb camera. A message will confirm when the device ID is successfully scanned. Join the lightbulb camera's hotspot. If it does not show in the app, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select the one that starts with SL300. Wait up to 2 minutes if it is not listed right away. If you cannot see the device hotspot after 2 minutes, please reset the device and restart the camera setup process. Set a device password. Select your Wi-Fi network and connect the lightbulb camera. Enable or disable audio recording and thumbnails. Select the lightbulb camera's installation orientation to adjust its view. Name your device. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your Lorex lightbulb camera.